Coming to the last topic of today's discussion is a news which talks about the fact that Russia has striked the nuclear facilities of Ukraine. And again, this is very important. Russia fired waves of drones and other munitions at Ukraine on Sunday, killing at least 5 persons and damaging a nuclear storage facility in the Chernobyl exclusion zone, Ukrainian officials said. You can just have a look. Now, this is also an opportunity to talk about the various nuclear facilities in Ukraine. Very important. Look at this. Chernobyl. The disaster which took place in Chernobyl, it is located in Ukraine itself. And this is closed. Then we have the Rivno. Then we have Kalmensky. Then we have over here South Ukraine. We have Zaporozhye. Now this was also attacked by Russia recently. So this is what you'll have to understand. These are the important locations, right? And over here, these are the areas where the Russia has already made advances. And Crimea was already annexed by Russia in way back in the year 2014 itself. This is the Sea of Azov. This is the Black Sea. This is the Strait of Kerch. Remember this, very important. And over here you have the Sevastopol, strategic port, which now Russia has the access to, right? This is Zaporozhye nuclear power plant over here. You can just have a look. This was attacked by Russians, and understand that it's on the bank of the Dnieper River, which basically drains into the Black Sea. And this is where you have very important city, Kherson, because UPSC has seen, we have seen questions coming with respect to the places, with respect to the rivers. So you must know this, right? So this is again very important. Zaporozhye, we have the other places, Chernobyl, and also know the bordering countries of Ukraine. Very, very important. Do mention in the comments which are the bordering countries of Ukraine.